Let's talk about the nature of the phenomenon. There are mainly three streams of practice related to, in my opinion, to the same thing. If you look purely in the scientific stream, something that is related to the brain, our function or capacity of the brain, then it will be called lucid dreaming. And then the other fields that we often hear about, I put them both probably in the same basket, is astral projection and out-of-body experience. Why I put them in the same basket? Because they would be based on the premise that we possess a soul or energetic counterpart before we incorporate in this physical avatar. So what you're going to learn with me is the practice, and that is the main thing. And so I will give you the techniques, I will give you the tools for you to evolve in this field. And you can call it out-of-body experience, astral projection, lucid dreaming, the phase, the shift, it doesn't matter. The tools are the same. So that's it. So do not lose your time and your saliva and precious energy on debates on what is what, because what counts is your experience.